Hey everyone! So glad to have you back on our channel. Today we're delving into the realm of digital security and family monitoring with a comprehensive look at mSpy in 2024. If you're anything like me, you probably value the safety and well-being of your loved ones in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. And let's face it, with everything going on online these days, keeping track of what's happening can be quite a challenge. That's where mSpy comes into play. It's like having your own digital guardian angel watching over your family's online activities. So stick around as we break down what mSpy has to offer and whether it might just be the solution you've been on the lookout for. Before we get started, make sure to check out the link in the description for an exclusive discount on mSpy. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on that. Alright, let's address the big question. How does mSpy actually work? Well, you'll be relieved to know that you don't need to be a tech guru to figure it out. In fact, it's as simple as can be. Step 1. Head on over to the mSpy website and sign up for an account. They've got different packages tailored to different needs. Whether you're looking to keep tabs on your kiddo's phone activity, or maybe you're curious about what your significant other is up to on their tablet. Take your pick based on what you're after. Once you've sorted out your account and chosen the package that fits the bill, you're all set for the next step. Easy peasy, right? Step 2. Now, it's time to tackle the target device. Whether you're dealing with an Android phone or an iOS device, the process is pretty straightforward. If it's an Android device you're dealing with, head over to the Google Play Store. Once you're there, look for the profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on it, and then dive into the settings. You'll need to make a few adjustments to ensure everything runs smoothly. But hey, don't worry if you're not sure what to do. We've got your back, and we'll guide you through each step of the way. Now, if the device in question is an iOS one, things might be a tad different. You might need to perform a bit of jailbreaking to get access. But again, no need to fret. mSpy is renowned for its top-notch customer support, so you'll have experts ready to assist you if you hit any bumps along the road. Step 3. Once you've made the necessary adjustments to the target device, it's time to download the mSpy app. You'll need to open up Google Chrome on the device and paste a special link provided by mSpy. It's pretty straightforward, just like any other web search. Once you've pasted the link, you'll be taken directly to the mSpy website where you can download the app. This is pretty convenient because you don't have to go through the hassle of navigating through the App Store or anything like that. It's all right there for you on the website, so no need to worry about complicated installation processes or anything like that. mSpy makes it easy for you to get everything set up smoothly. Just follow the steps and you'll be good to go in no time. Step 4. Install the app. Once you've got it downloaded, just enter the registration code that you received in your email. After that, you can just kick back and relax while mSpy works its magic behind the scenes. Seriously, it's smoother than spreading butter on toast, I guarantee it. Just let it do its thing, and you'll be all set. Now you might be wondering, but won't the target know they're being tracked? Fear not, my friends. mSpy is like the James Bond of tracking apps. Sleek, discreet, and totally under the radar. You won't find it popping up on the home screen or bombarding you with pesky notifications. Nope, it stays incognito, quietly doing its thing while keeping your secret mission under wraps. So rest easy, your covert operations are safe with mSpy. Alright, now that you've got mSpy up and running, let's talk features. And boy, does mSpy have a plethora of them. From text messages to phone calls, contacts to calendar events, mSpy gives you an all-access pass to your loved one's digital life. And unlike other apps, there's no filtering here. You get the full scoop, unfiltered and uncut. But wait, there's more. mSpy doesn't stop at the basics. It goes the extra mile by diving into social media platforms, providing you with access to all the apps your target frequents. Whether it's Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or any other popular platform, you can count on mSpy to have it covered. It's like having your own digital detective, keeping you informed and empowered. As a fellow parent, I totally get the importance of keeping our kids safe in the digital jungle out there. That's why I'm really digging mSpy's parental controls. It's like having a trusty digital sidekick that helps me stay on top of what my kids are up to online. I mean, with features like web filtering and app blocking, it's like putting up those protective barriers to shield them from the stuff they shouldn't be seeing or engaging with. It's such a relief knowing that there's this extra layer of security, almost like having a guardian angel watching over their device. Plus, it's super user-friendly, which is a huge win for us busy parents. Being able to easily set up controls and customize them to fit our family's needs makes the whole monitoring thing a lot less daunting. So yeah, mSpy is definitely a game changer in my book when it comes to keeping tabs on what my kids are doing online. And let's not forget about location tracking. With GPS and geofencing, you'll always know where your loved ones are. Whether it's a quick trip to the mall or a weekend getaway, mSpy has your back. But wait, there's even more to explore with mSpy. Ever worry about your child stumbling upon inappropriate content? With mSpy's keyword tracking and web filtering, you can rest easy knowing they're safe from harm. And for those extra cautious parents, mSpy even offers a keylogger feature so you can see every keystroke your child makes on their device. Now I know what you're thinking. But how much is this digital peace of mind going to cost me? Well, folks, you'll be pleasantly surprised. With plans starting as low as $11.67 a month, mSpy is an absolute steal. Plus, with the ability to track up to 3 devices at once, you're getting serious bang for your buck. So there you have it, folks. mSpy is the ultimate tool for keeping your family safe and secure in today's digital world. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description and see for yourself. Until next time, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.